guys, welcome to aclaireytale and welcome to another video. I hope you're all doing well. It is currently July as I'm filming this, but I have a feeling that this clip or video is going to be a lot later than it actually is because I am in the middle of a Disney Cruise Line series. I'll put the playlist up here in case you missed it, but that's currently going up right now. But I got a delivery off the Disney store and I just had to share what I got. So I'm filming that now and I'm gonna put this in front of another video, so maybe a day out somewhere. I don't know where yet. You probably know before I do, whatever's in the title of this video. But I bought a few things on the Disney store website and I just had to share it with you because I know you're all Disney lovers just like I am, and there's a few exciting things to show you. Firstly, let me just show you the size of this box. It is massive and you will see why, because there is one item in here that's very large. So I'll show you the reason why this box is absolutely massive in a minute, but I'm going to start with a few presents that I bought. Right, I've taken everything out of the box and the bags so there's not too much noise. So let's start with a few gifts. I bought, it's my little niece's birthday very soon, and I asked my brother what shall I get her. I wanted to get her some toys or stationery or something. I was going to get her some princess stationery. My brother replied like, Claire, she can open her own W.H. Smith. So I've got her some clothes instead. I always feel a bit funny getting kids clothes because they must be like, boring, next present, but it's so beautiful. I'm sure she's gonna love it. It is a Little Mermaid dress. Oh, I don't know if you can see that properly. Oh, there we go. It's kind of like purpley and blue. It's got Ariel here at the front and a nice ribbon. It's buttoned down, and yeah, I really hope she'll like that. I also got her some little t-shirts to go with it. The t-shirts are 3 for 2 at the moment. I'm not sure if they will be when this goes live, but they are at the moment. And I got her Elsa, I got her Little Mermaid, there's a theme going here, and I got her a Minnie Mouse t-shirt as well because you can't go wrong with Minnie Mouse. This has actually got sequins on, so that's really pretty, so I hope she'll like those. Right, we've got 2 items left. I'm gonna leave the big one to last to keep you all waiting, but this is actually my favorite one. So you might know this, you might not, but I collect the Disney keys. So the Disney store or ShopDisney release keys for free when you spend a certain amount, and I collected loads of them. I'll put a picture here, and I thought I'll put them in a frame, and once the frame is full, that's it. I'm not going to collect any more keys, but I've collected a Star Wars one since, and I've also bought this one. So this is the first one I've actually paid for. Like I say, usually they're free when you spend a certain amount, but now on the website you can actually buy certain keys, and I just had to get this one. So it was £8 and it's the It's a Small World key. I'm going to like try and get this in focus. We know what the G7X is like, so bear with me. Isn't it lovely? So it says It's a Small World here, and the clock, and then we've got the dolls, and then we've got all the languages of hello and goodbye and things. And this is the label. It's 55 years, so that's what the key represents, that It's a Small World has been around now for 55 years, which is crazy. But I had to get it. Small World's one of my absolute favourites. Me and my mum just love this so, so much. So I'm just going to have to get another frame, aren't I, and collect some more. Right, I've kept you waiting long enough. Are we ready for the pièce de résistance? Resistance is a good word, actually, when it comes to Star Wars. I have bought the Star Wars Lego. This is the Razor Crest, so Mandalorian's ship. It's actually an empty box right now because we have put all the bags, so it's all numbered, all the bags, on the kitchen table. Simon's just put them all there and spread them all out. I'll put a clip here because I did film that. And Simon's gonna build that this weekend. He's very excited. He's just a big boy at heart. I love it. There's actually a tiny baby Yoda in this as well, so I am very excited to see what this looks like. What I might actually do is film a little progress reel on Instagram from start to finish of Simon making this ship. So if you want to see that, make sure you check out my Instagram, and I will definitely put that up there because that will be really fun to film. So that's everything that I bought. Not too much, but enough to keep us happy for a while, since we're not going to Disney anytime soon. Although actually I will show you this here now. I didn't get it in the Disney store, but from VeroNeko, they kindly sent me, they gifted me a bag, a Loungefly bag. It is so amazing. You can guess what character is on it. It's upstairs right now, so I'll bring it down and get it to show you. It is so beautiful, and they've actually given me a 10% discount code as well, so I'll put a code in here or a link below if you want to use 10% off. Let me go get you the bag. It's so beautiful. This is the bag that VeroNeko have kindly gifted to me. Isn't that amazing? Of course it's Dumbo, my absolute favourite. They know me well. I love it though. The PR manager said to me, it's getting delivered today, not by Stork, but it's getting delivered. I loved that. It's so funny. So it's Dumbo in his bath. There's a front pocket, which is really handy. And look at that lining. Isn't that gorgeous? And then the sides, they've got little side pockets too. I've never actually owned a Loungefly bag before, and I'm really impressed with the quality. It is absolutely beautiful. Look at that little tuft of hair. The zip runs really smoothly. Let me just open that for you. And then have a look inside. The lining, I just love it. It's a really good size as well. Absolutely perfect for the parks. And there's a zipped pocket at the back there as well. I can't wait to wear this. I want to wear it on the Dumbo ride and get a little picture with it. Isn't that great? So if any of you fancy it, I'll put a link to the VeroNeko website to this exact bag. And I'll also put a link to their website so you can have a look at all their other Loungefly bags, and they do other brands too, cake-worthy, things like that. And I've got a 10% off discount code, which is aclaireytale 10. I'll put it here. So make sure you get your 10% off if you do go for any of these bags. But oh, I love it. This is going to be the first of a collection. I can see this already. This was the first day that the new bag obsession started. I'm going to leave you now with future Claire in this next clip. Who knows what we're up to? You will find out any second. I'll see you in the future. Oh, I sound like Judi Dench. What I would give to be on Spaceship Earth right now, honestly. Good afternoon. It's quite a bit later after that clip. It is now 14th of August and I'm going to Liverpool today. I'm meeting up with Charlotte Ruff. Some of you might already know her, probably most of you already do. In fact, you might have come over because Charlotte recommended me back when I was on my CRP, so thank you, Charlotte, for doing that, and thank you for sticking around. But I'm meeting up with her today. We are going to Liverpool. We are going to check out the Baltic Market. That's somewhere I've never been before, so I'm looking forward to seeing that. And hopefully we're going to go to the cathedral. So Liverpool Cathedral has a exhibition going on right now with all these paper doves. There's thousands of paper doves in the ceiling and it looks gorgeous from the pictures. So looking forward to seeing that. I probably won't film too much of the day, but I'll definitely take you to those two places because I've never seen them before, so I definitely want to show you them. And yeah, hopefully we'll have a nice little catch up, go for some food. Let's head into Liverpool. Oh wow! Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, that is amazing. Oh, there's a little concert going on. This is amazing. I can't quite capture the length of this. This is just absolutely beautiful. I love that. Messages of hope, peace and love. Baltic market. It's all these little food stands and they bring it to your table. It's so cool. Whoa, look at the size of this pizza. Looks amazing. Charlotte's got herself some Greek food.
I'm very excited about it.
I was editing this video and I realised I barely filmed in Liverpool. My ShopDisney haul is absolutely tiny, so this video's ended up being quite short. So I thought I'd end this vlog with a travel update because there's been lots of news with that. So firstly, as you all know, I rather optimistically booked Florida for the middle of September. My wishful thinking sometimes, you guys, is just too much. Anyway, I got the email this week saying that they have been cancelled. The border is still not open. So I've decided to book some other bits instead. So I thought I'd tell you about that in this video. Originally, the plan was to just move the flights to later on to when maybe we could fly. But as we just don't know yet, I've decided to cancel them. There was the option to get a refund because I know I will book those flights again in the future, but I think now I'm at a point where I want to book those flights when I know I can fly. So I'm just going to hold off and do a few little European bits instead. So the refund came really quickly. Virgin, I was really impressed. The refund from my flight was in my bank account 2 days after I requested the refund. So I just thought that was absolutely amazing. So with that money, I have decided to book a few little European trips instead. Firstly, Simon and I have decided to go to Greece, somewhere that was on our bucket list. Simon actually lived there for 3 years, so I'm really excited for him to show me around. We are both fully vaccinated. We just have to do some more tests, fill out some paperwork. I'll go into more depth and about what we're going to do in another video, maybe a little planning video or something like that, or maybe just before we fly I'll tell you a lot more about that trip then. And I don't think I'll film every day on that trip. I think I'll just film the days where we're doing kind of touristy stuff, things that I can show you guys. The second trip that we've booked, I'm laughing because it wasn't really on the cards, but my mum and dad, after Florida was cancelled, they both said they really want some Disney magic and do I want to go to Disneyland Paris with them. And of course I had to say yes. Who would turn that down? And so we have decided to book Disneyland Paris. We're doing 3 nights in Disneyland Paris and then 2 nights in Paris itself. And I'm really excited. It should be a really good trip. It's been a while since I've been. I used to work in Disneyland Paris, but it's been 5 years since my last trip there. My last trip was December 2016, yeah, so 5 years. So I'm really looking forward to what it has in store for us. Sometimes the best trips are when you haven't really planned on going, it's spontaneous. And this is actually really soon now. It's in a couple of weeks. So I'll definitely bring you along. I might Instagram at the same time as well. Usually I try not to, but I think I will for Disneyland Paris. So stay tuned if you'd like to see that. I'll let you know exactly what we've booked in another video. And let me know any tips or suggestions. It's been 5 years, anything in Disneyland Paris or even Paris itself, places to eat. I would love to hear your recommendations. So the final thing that Simon and I are looking to book is a little staycation in Snowdonia in Wales. And basically he saw this toboggan ride on television and ever since he's really wanted to do it, and we just thought let's go for the night, see what Snowdonia has to offer. Neither of us have ever been before, so if any of you do have recommendations on where to stay, what to do, where to eat, do let me know below because that would be a great help. We've not booked anything there yet. We'll probably book that this weekend. So yeah, whilst we can't get to Florida right now, we've still got some exciting things to look forward to. Stay tuned because I'll for sure bring you along. Please like this video if you did, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Make your memories, take your pictures, making memories.